What's up, guys? The car looks a lot different than the last time you guys saw it. We pulled the motor out, and Mr. Nick there with Schroeder's build gave me a fresh top to bottom rebuild, new rings, bearings, head gasket, seals. Got a body guy here I work with that motivated me to shave and tuck the bay. Got it all cleaned up. It was like the third time we started it. Nick relocated the fuel filter. Got a new catch can on there. Purple plate. Can't really tell until the light hits it. We had a dyno tune on August 31st. The rod bearing clearances the rod bearings I ordered, the clearances were too tight, so that made me miss that. But yeah, we're still fixing the little booger there on the quarter. I pulled the carpet out. Fortunately, it's got a rather significant rust hole that we got to get fixed, but the motor's back in the car, and that's the most important thing. I'm trying to burp the coolant out now, bleed all the air out of it. Got a 1320 race shifter also installed. I'm trying to think what other crazy things we've done to it since I last made a video on the page, but yeah, we got the old Bondo in the quarter there, and we're trying to get it cleaned up. We're going to shoot the car the same color. So, try and make H-Day this spring, hopefully. Possibly get the VIP show. That'd be cool, but yeah, nothing crazy. We're just trying to clean the car up, get the motor running good again, so it ain't smoky and leaking, and just have it a little less of the eyesore. But there'll be plenty more updates on the car to come, so you guys stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see. Try and make some videos based off what you guys want to see. Like I said, I'm not good at this, otherwise I'll just post videos of me ripping on the stuff. But can't wait to take her for her first rip here, hopefully about an hour or so. So yeah, more updates to come for sure. Thank you guys for watching.